The rock explodes and hit me in the mouth.
Gonna have to do a rebrand.
And there's a big hammer.
Hey, welcome back to Big Hammer Garage. Today we're guiding chain reaction. So it'll be us, Jorgensen brothers, and whoever else shows up. We'll see how it goes. We're gonna get the car off the trailer, get over to staging, catch back up to you whenever we get there. Believe it or not, we were early for staging by almost an hour. That gave us some time to sit around, chat with some fans, and watch these side-by-side sand drags, which you're seeing. First obstacle on chain reaction. On this day it was really dug out. It is a hard right hand entry into the obstacle with a short but steep climb up and out. We chose to take the bypass for obstacle 2. It's a really hard obstacle. It takes too long to get each car through. Would have made for a long day for us. But even the bypass is not a cakewalk. This is obstacle 3. It's a climb out of the wash to an off-camber ledge that leads directly into a vertical wall.
Passenger.
As you can see, I even had to ride the slider on the Jeep that was in our group. This is one of those situations where the camera just flattens everything out. This is a fairly steep climb up to a section where you make a hard right-hand turn to drive across the face of something that doesn't feel like you should be driving across.
We'll be leaving right away.
This is obstacle number 4. We chose the optional line here, which is a surprisingly technical little section that demands fairly precise tire placement. This is obstacle number 5. It's a crack climb to a hard left-hand turn to exit the obstacle. This is obstacle 6. It's a tight right hand into a off-camber downhill chute with a vertical drop at the bottom. You can see the tire get a little bit light on the back of the car as we go down. You can see us crab walking into obstacle number 7 here. This is the optional line. It's a crack up to about a 6-foot vertical climb on the right side of the car.
There. Good.
This is the traffic jam at the chute that day. There was 3 trails that came together at the same time here. Way too many cars in line for it. We chose to bypass it and head back down the hill.
Hey, we reached the end of the trail. Had a good group, no major problems. We're back on the trailer. We're headed to some lunch. We'll be back with you in a little bit for the vendor show and raffle. Until then,
Yeah, we can leave it here.
So it's laser etched in.
Oh yeah, dude.
Spacing's right on this side, spacing right on that side.
Yeah, it's pretty close.
Something about a big hammer.
Yeah.
I got one in my Jeep.
You see this?
Wow, dude, who hit you? What'd he say?
I hit myself in the mouth with a rock last night on
God, how do you do that?
on milk.
What? Off the tire?
No. So ram set wouldn't work. It was putting up banners, and no matter what you do, it wouldn't go. But if you pulled the trigger, pushed it in, and whacked it, it would go off. So I don't have a hammer with me.
The one thing he didn't have in his tool bag was a big hammer.
So I take the ram set and I grab a rock and I go, bam! When it goes off, the rock explodes and hit me in the mouth.
Was it on video?
No.
Sadly.
Gonna have to do a rebrand.
And there's a big
rock
hammer.
garage.
Big rock
In the Jeep.
garage.
I think that's good enough.
There you go.
Seven, seven, six. 8, 8, 2, 3. 8, 2, 3. That's it.
So what's your name?
Alex Ishinima, sir.
Alex, you just won our first raffle giveaway prize.
Congratulations.
Racing Anxiety at Trail Hero.
Matt
Congratulations.
Calhoun, a bunch of people running the milestone time.
Thanks for watching Big Hammer Garage. We'll catch you on the next one.